Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Sarah, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get started in e-commerce using one of the most powerful tools on the internet. Surprisingly, it's incredibly easy to do, so easy that we're going to create an entire online store in just 15 minutes. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to make an online store using WordPress. WordPress powers about 40% of the internet, and it's fantastic because you can start small with a simple template, like a one-page or one-item store, and scale it indefinitely. You can turn it into a massive blog, a product catalog with thousands of items, or anything in between. That's why I highly recommend it. Think of WordPress like Microsoft Word for websites. It's the engine that runs your site, but just like a document, you need to save it somewhere. For a website, that somewhere is a hosting provider. The host we recommend is Hostinger. It's fast, affordable, and offers great uptime and reliability. So, you have WordPress running on Hostinger's servers, but to make things even easier, we'll add a drag-and-drop builder on top. This will help you manage your store effortlessly, and I'll show you the plugins you'll need later in the video. The best part? Everything in this video is free except for hosting, which is very affordable, especially with the current sales. Let's head over to my laptop and start the timer, 15 minutes, to build this website. First, go to hostinger.com click the link in the description. You'll land on a page with pricing plans starting at $2.49 per month, plus 2 months free. They often have sales, so you'll likely see discounts. Click a Claim Deal to view the plans, Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. The Business plan is the most popular and offers great value. Add it to your cart. Here's a tip, avoid the 1-month plan. With the setup fee and domain costs, it's not cost-effective. Instead, go for the 12-month or 48-month plan. The 48-month plan locks in the lowest price, and with our discount link in the description, it's a steal. For example, the 48-month plan costs around $130 to $140, which is much cheaper than most other website builders. Enter your email, payment details, you will get extra 20% off. Once you've submitted your information, click Start Now. Skip the setup prompts, we'll handle everything manually. If you chose a plan longer than 12 months, you'll get a free domain. Enter your contact information to register the domain. While that processes, verify your email for both your hosting account and domain registration. Once done, click Finish Setup. From the Hostinger dashboard, click Website on the left, then Auto Installer. Select WordPress, not WooCommerce yet. Once installed, you can access your WordPress dashboard by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and logging in with your credentials. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance Themes, Add New. Search for and install the Astra theme, then activate it. Next, install the Starter Templates plugin. Choose Elementor as your page builder and browse the eCommerce templates. Customize your color scheme and build your website. Go to WooCommerce Products to add your first product. Enter details like the product name, description, price, and inventory. You can also set up shipping and payment methods. Once your product is ready, click Publish. Go through your website, test all buttons, and place a sample order to ensure everything works smoothly. Use Elementor to customize your homepage and other pages. Drag and drop elements like text, images, and buttons to create your desired layout. You can hide sections on mobile, adjust padding, and more. Once you're happy with the design, click Update. Once you're confident, start marketing your store. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're ready to dive deeper, check out my other videos on WooCommerce, Shopify, and more. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online store. See you in the next video.